Hello, and welcome to Duckysearthsigns. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If this reading does not resonate with you, it simply was not your message, as I cannot connect with every single earth sign on the planet. And if you're a cross watcher, welcome. Hello, Virgo. Welcome to your general reading for September 15th through September 30th. I'm going to grab some energy cards for you first, and then we'll get to your reading. But while I was doing my pre-shuffle, there was a card that popped out. And the card that popped out was the Six of Cups. And the Six of Cups there's a couple different messages with the Six of Cups, but one message is soulmate, and the other message is nostalgia, like thinking of someone or something from your past. So, just letting you know, this was the card that jumped out when I was shuffling. I'm going to put that one back. And I'm going to go ahead and we will shuffle again. Let's see what is going on for Virgo. September 15th through the 30th. Okay. What is going on for Virgo? September 15th through the 30th. Pick this one. Take a risk. Venture forward. Put that there for now. And let's see. I will pick this one. Ooh, protected by angels. You are cherished by the angels. Yes, I love that. And I'm going to pick one more right here. Yes, the answers are within. I love that. Okay, so let me put these back. So the three energy cards that I got for you today were Great Adventure, Take a Risk, and Move Forward. You are cherished and protected by the angels. So you have a lot of protection around you right now, which is awesome. And then taking shelter, the answers are within. So the answers are within. This actually kind of reminds me of your card, which is the Hermit card. And the Hermit card is all about going within for the answers that you seek, because you can provide all of the answers that you need to move forward for yourself. Okay, so let me go ahead and let's see what we are working with today. This reading is for Virgo, September 15th through the 30th. Also, I do want to mention to have a wonderful happy birthday. That might be another reason why you are being protected by the angels right now. So let's see. What is the current situation that Virgo is working with? So the current situation that you have going on right now is the Hierophant. The Hierophant is all about like spiritual awakening. This is like going towards the next level. This is forward movement. This is ascending to the next level. So like if you had been, working at your job for a little while, this could mean you're getting a promotion, or you could be, you know, advancing spiritually in whatever practice that you're doing. But let's see what else is going on here. So, what is affecting this situation, or what is crossing this situation? What is the issue crossing this leveling up? The Nine of Swords. Okay. So there may be a lot of anxiety, a lot of sleepless nights around this new like spiritual awakening. The Nine of Swords is all about mental, it's thoughts, it's anxiety, it's worry. Um, so like if you have been working on something, like let's say this is a job and you've been working really hard for a long time and you weren't seeing the results that you wanted, this is what that would look like. Anxiety, stress, confusion, worry. But not to worry because this is a very positive card. The Hierophant is a very positive card. So you are leveling up. Just let me put that down here. Now, what is the basis of the situation? Why is this happening? What's all this anxiety and worry about? The High Priestess. So the High Priestess is really all about your intuition, listening to your own intuition, your own internal voice. And this is also a major arcana, so this is like really needing to, listen to your intuition, get out of your head and start meditating. Meditating is one of the best ways to really access that inner voice, that inner guidance that we all have. Now, what is in the most recent past? Victory, the Six of Wands. So, success, it could be that promotion or that, like, that, I don't know what you would call it, that job offer, that, that offer that you've been waiting for. This is that victory. This is that success in the most recent past. So let's see, what is in the present moment as it pertains to this? Death. Okay. So there's something that you need to let go of to obtain this. There's something that is no longer serving you that you need to let go of. And to be honest with you, it's probably this anxiety, this fear, this worry, because you have a lot of positive cards, and these are all actually major arcana, except for the Six of Wands, the Hierophant, which is like ascending to new level, the High Priestess using your intuition, success and victory. But then death and rebirth talks about letting go of something that no longer serves you so that you can make way for the new. And you might need to let go of this anxiety, this worry, this overthinking if you're trying to ascend to something new. Okay? Now let's see what is in the near future for you. What is in the near future? The Five of Swords. So the Five of Swords, for me in this deck, again, it has to do with your thoughts, with, having these feelings, or not feelings, but these thoughts that just are taking you to another place. Okay, I'm gonna have to clarify that. So that's in the near future. It's like you're not letting go of these thoughts that are keeping you from moving on, from moving forward. All right, so let's see what your power in the situation is. Temperance. Yes, you really have to find balance in any situation. So, this is a give and take. This is, working hard but playing hard. So, definitely finding a balance, everything in moderation, that is the key. Now, let's see about the effects of people around you. That one popped out. The King of Wands. The King of Wands is actually a really great person to have around you because he's passionate, he's fiery. This is like a CEO, this is a boss, this is somebody that gets things done, especially when it comes into like business and even relationships. But he is a passionate individual, okay? And this can be like fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag. Next, let's see what maybe your hopes or fears are in this situation. What are your hopes and fears? Ooh, I think this is definitely a hope and not a fear that you're gonna get the Ten of Pentacles. This is that happy family. This is a future. This is having stability, financial success, a happy home, happy family, children, all of that. So yes, that's of course what you would want. Now, what is the potential outcome? That one popped out. Oh, I hope you saw that fly out. And the one that flew out was the Ten of Cups. So the Ten of Pentacles is like a financial, completion. This is financially abundant. This is not worrying about bills, having a successful business. The Ten of Cups is emotional. This is emotional fulfillment. This is love. This is successful family. So this is in your potential outcome column, and I love that card. That's an amazing card to get, and I love that you have the Ten of Pentacles and the Ten of Cups. Now, I do want to clarify the Hierophant because I want to see what it is that you're trying to work for now. What is the Hierophant about? What are you leveling up in? Is this work? Oops, that one fell out. What is it? Okay, the card that fell out was the Three of Cups. Now, the Three of Cups is definitely an emotional card. So with the Hierophant leveling up, the Three of Cups is like that celebration card. It's happiness, it's joy. So you might be leveling up yourself. You may be getting rid of this worry, this anxiety, this stress. Because to level up or like to get rid of it, you need to embody the Three of Cups, this celebration, this happiness, this joy. So once you can allow that to come in, you're going to get rid of this anxiety, this fear, and worry because everything here that you've gotten is amazing. I love this. You have this new thing coming in for you, whatever it is, if it's a new career, new relationship, you are leveling yourself up. You are celebrating. You could be celebrating a new relationship. You could be celebrating a new job, a new career path. And then once you get rid of that anxiety, this celebration is going to come in. And you're being asked to really listen to yourself and use your intuition. Okay? Because when you listen to yourself, it's all good. Victory and success are yours. And when you can release what's no longer serving you, which is this Nine of Swords, this fear, this anxiety, and you can learn to balance everything, whether it's balancing career and a social life or family and work. Once you learn how to balance everything and you really embody this King of Wands, this passionate, this fiery individual, this successful person, then your hope is that you get this financial security, this Ten of Pentacles. And this is what you're going to get. When you can let this anxiety, this fear go, and you can celebrate what's going on in your life now, and you let go of that old that's no longer serving you, the Ten of Pentacles is going to come in. And then also the outcome is this happy life, this emotional happy ending. It's not that you're not only getting the money, the pentacles, the the success, like the business success, but you're also getting the emotional success. Okay? I love this. I really like this. I feel like this was a really great reading. So I'm not even going to pull any other cards because I don't really feel like there's anything else that I need to ask. So Virgo, I hope you have a wonderful birthday and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your month. See you next week. Bye.